Whirlpool washer, what F21 code means. The F21 error code on a Whirlpool washer signals a problem with water drainage. This code appears when the washer cannot drain water properly. It stops the washing cycle to prevent damage. Understanding the F21 code helps you know what to check and fix. This way, you can avoid long delays in laundry and protect your washer. Drain pump issue. The F21 code often points to a drain pump problem. The pump might be blocked or broken. If the pump fails, water stays inside the drum. Cleaning or replacing the pump usually solves this issue. Regular maintenance helps keep the drain pump working well. Clogged drain hose. A clogged drain hose can cause the F21 error. Dirt, lint, or small objects can block the hose. This stops water from flowing out of the washer. Check the hose for any clogs. Clear any blockage to restore proper drainage and remove the F21 code. Drain filter blockage. Many Whirlpool washers have a drain filter to catch debris. If the filter is full or blocked, water cannot drain. This triggers the F21 error code. Cleaning the drain filter regularly keeps water